All right, I hope you guys liked my little Halloween intro, something new for Halloween. But let's get started. So I already did my face. Make sure that you use. Well, I wanted to make it look like I have like this new flawless face, so I used like a pore filling primer and then a full coverage foundation. And then I did like my eyeshadow and everything off camera. My lips, they're kind of small, like, well, my lips, I don't know, but I the bottom of the heart, I made it point at the lips, but I just filled in the inside of it. Okay, so right here I'm just contouring the outside to give me some little shade, um like some depth to the look. And as you're doing this, you can see the face inside the heart coming alive, like it's like it's coming together. Now, because of my face shape and my head and just all kinds of weird shit, I couldn't get the heart perfect, but it's okay. This is also my first time doing something like this. Playing with latex and having to outline and draw all kinds of shit. Right here, I'm just touching up on the red just so I can see my outline better, because like I said, I am new, because some of it gets covered in foundation. All right, and then you can see a little on my hand. I practiced like a little thingy with the latex. Now get a black eyeshadow, and just I took a little small angled brush and just filled it in the red. Filled it in over the red, and for the red I used a lip liner, just so you don't have, because I don't like red eyeshadow. Sometimes it stains. So with the red, I look cute. And then right here, I'm just blending the two together, blending it outwards, just a little touching up. But you can already see, like, it looks good. Like, that looks good. I was like, oh, it looks like it's getting bruised. Oh, and this was probably the hardest part because I didn't know how to like use it. I knew you can't, like, they say don't use your beauty sponge, don't use your stuff like that, but like your makeup stuff. So I forgot I bought these sponges a couple days ago, and I used that. And then I am cutting it. So backstory for this little character, I was watching a movie called Bad Hair on Hulu. It's an okay movie. It's about like this hair this hair that is possessed by witch, or I don't know, some shit like that. But in the movie, the soundtrack is amazing. But let me not get copyrighted. But there's a song called So You Know in there, and let me just read the lyrics. It says it's about this guy who was promising this girl, he'll be with her, but then he went and slept with someone else, and that's what happened in the movie. So the lyrics is like, sure, I'm sorry to see you so unhappy. What is she wrong? What did she do? Tell me. Break her promises, lead your heart carelessly. And she said it in a way like, that's what you did to me. You thought she was your strength, but she left you weak. Again, relating to her. I got no advice to give. This is the path that you chose to live. I don't mean to tell you so, but I will just so that you know that I would have loved you better. Just so you know, I would have loved you better. I would have loved you. Just FYI, you could have been my guy. I would have loved you better. I would have loved you better. So she's telling, and the theme of the movie is like, these girls are like, they're going to like go get new hair because the new manager of the place that the main character works at, a radio station, she was like, ew, you guys can't look like that working for me. So she would refer them to this hair lady, but then the lady, I don't know like if she knew or not, but the lady that is putting these new like hair on these girls, they becoming witches, and the hair thirsts for blood. So it's a horror comedy movie. I suggest you watch it. It's kind of funny, it's okay. Anyway, so then after she gets the hair, she's like, you know what? She's feeling herself, and then it just goes downhill from there, because then of course the thirst comes. So like the theme of the movie is like, don't change yourself for anyone, just be who you are. So with this look, 10 years later, I wanted to make a heart shaped, because this is someone who, boy, girl, doesn't matter. um this is about someone who was heartbroken, and now they wanted a new face, like to look like the person that their boy or girlfriend cheated on them with, just to have this flawless look. And obviously it doesn't go too well because they look like this. Anyways, so I'm here. I just cut open while I was explaining this character. I was just cutting open the latex. Make sure it's dried down good because this one for some reason dried really fast. And so I cut it open. I filled in the latex part that's supposed to be the skin peeling. I filled that in with red eyeshadow, and now I'm tracing back over it with black, just so it looks bruised again. And then I'm just placing it in the inside and also on like the flaps. So yeah, any red or black eyeshadow will do. And then I'm just blending them together right here with like a fluffy blending brush or crease brush. Can't remember which one. And look, that looks good already. Like after the latex has been cut, like that looks, that looks good. Now I'm just going to fill in with the blood now. So if you can't get any of the stuff, I got it for cheap at the Spirit Halloween store, but if you can't get any of this stuff, I liked to use before I got all this, I used eyeshadow, lip gloss, and red lipstick. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon with the final look.
Perfect.